careful with your phone, don't touch it.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this spot is Hodge Yard. It is home to Fort Worth and Western. They're one of our regional freight rail companies. They're routing us through on the south side today, so we're going to get a really good look at some of their locomotive stock. Our progress may be a little stop and go. That depends on how many times we have to realign the track as we're coming through here. Feels like we're starting to slow down a little bit as we speak, so there must be one up ahead of us. Once we get through Hodge Yard, we'll be on our way to Tower 60.